welcome back to the Earth and Cook. What I'm going to do today is basically it's an egg roll, and for this egg roll we've got mushrooms, which I'm going to fry off in the pan first with a little bit of olive butter. We have cheese, some chopped ham, some red chopped peppers, spring onions, and some quartered cherry tomatoes with all the seeds and everything taken out, and just some seasoning, no salt or pepper, and obviously some eggs and a bit of olive oil. So we'll get started, and I'm going to fry off the mushrooms first, then we'll get to the pan, beat up the eggs and get them in and do the business. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so now we're going to bit of olive oil, put our eggs in, some of our mushrooms, ham, tomatoes, red peppers, spring onions, some cheese, and a little bit of seasoning. And we'll get that out, slice it up, and we'll plate it up with a nice little bit of salad. So we'll bring you back soon. So there you go, nice little simple one. Egg roll, bit of ham, tomatoes, peppers, spring onions, mushrooms, cheese, nice bit of rocket salad, bit of grated carrot, lemon, olive oil, some more little red peppers, and that's that. So nice little snack meal. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, thanks a lot, and stay safe.